Poem number 1.1, Past, Present, Future. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me, what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits, gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future, happy one, a sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. Poet Emily Bront. Let's begin with the explanation of the poem. This poem is about past, present, and future. So everybody knows what is past, present, future. Past means which has been gone. Present means the now ongoing situation, and future means nobody knows, nobody can tell about the future. So in Marathi, past is Bhut Kal, present is Vartaman Kal, and future is Bhavishya Kal. So past is already gone, so there is no need to cry over past things. Present, you have to always think about the present. Future, as I told, that nobody knows about the future, so it's of no use of thinking about the future. But yes, future you can not predict, nobody can tell about the future, but at least you can think about it. So let's see, in this poem, the poet is asking few questions to the smiling child, and the smiling child is answering the questions of the poet. Let's see what are the questions. First stanza, tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. Here, thee means you. So the poet is asking the first question to the child, that tell me about your past. So what the child is answering, an autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. So here autumn means it is a season that comes between summer and winter. In Hindi we call it as पतझड़ का मौसम, पान गळतीचा सीझन असतो तो, जेव्हा झाडाची पानं गळतात. And autumn evening, soft and mild, it's like an autumn evening with a wind that sighs mournfully. Sighs mournfully means the wind is blowing very sadly. Now this is the past, so past is already gone. Now the second question the poet is asking, tell me what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits, gathering its power to mount and fly away. So the question, second stanza, and the second question the poet is asking, tell me what is the present hour. So the poet is asking the child, tell me about your present. So the child is answering, a green and flowery spray. Flowery spray means it's a branch of a tree where there are green leaves and flowers. So the child is saying that the present situation or the present hour is like a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits, gathering its power to mount and fly away. You can see in this picture a bird is sitting on a branch of a tree and it is ready to fly in the sky. It is gathering all its power and it is ready to fly in the sky. So how our present should be, that we should be always ready to face any kind of situation. Third stanza, and what is the future, happy one. So the poet is asking a smiling child, tell me about your future. So what the child is answering, a sea beneath a cloudless sun. Cloudless means no clouds in the sky and only a sun, bright sun is there, and below the sky there is a sea. And how is the sea? The sea is mighty, great, glorious means beautiful, and dazzling means extremely bright sea, which is stretching into the infinity, means endless sea, where it is stretching far away and where nobody can reach at the end of the sea. The future of the child is in such a way. So I think so you have understood this poem, past, present and future. So let me know if you have understood.